If you're trying to buy seitan, these prices are outrageous. $7. Let's get real. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start with our 3 cups of VITAL WHEAT GLUTEN. Boom. 2. We're going to add our salt. I'm not telling you the measurements. I'm just eyeballing it, so it's kind of up to your individual taste. We have about a couple tablespoons of our unbleached flour. This gives our seitan a little more density. We have a couple tablespoons of pepper. Again, I'm just eyeballing that roughly. And about a couple spoons of garlic powder. I like garlic, so we're gonna throw it in there. We are going to add our smoked paprika. We're gonna add a lot of that. And now the last 2 dry ingredients that we're gonna add are the shiitake mushrooms and the mustard seeds. But first, we are going to blend those up. We're going to blend the mustard seeds by themselves, turn those into mustard seed powder, and then we'll add the shiitake mushrooms. Now again, the shiitake mushrooms are going to give our seitan that earthy taste. Alright, so we're just going to blend up these mustard seeds. Now we're going to add our dry shiitake mushrooms. And then add this into our mix. Alright, so that's it for the dry seasoning. Now we're just going to chop up our onions and our red beet, blend these in the Vitamix as well, and then drop them in. So the key here is to get creative. You don't have to do it exactly how I'm doing it here. This is just a good start, a good foundation to have, especially if you decide to re-grill it later or cook it in a different way. You can re-season it then. And we'll also add about a half a cup of water. That's just so we can make this as fine as possible. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add our blended up beets and onion. A beet is for its color, not only for its nutritional value, but this is going to give our seitan that reddish meat look. And last but not least, our liquid smoke. And now what we're going to do, we're going to add 2 cups of water. Make sure your hands are washed very well because we are going to use our hands to mix this together. now what we're gonna do is we're going to shape this. I like shaping mine into a loaf so that throughout the week I can just slice it up and take it as I need. So let's go ahead and do this. Now you want to make sure that your loaf isn't too big, because what we're going to do, we're going to make some vegetable broth and let it simmer in there.